Okay, so I'm now just copying pasting this problem, and this is the last one you had a little bit of trouble with. Okay, the equilibrium constant is given for one of the reactions below. Determine the value of the missing equilibrium constant. Okay, so, and this is raised to the fourth power, it's not a subscript. Okay, so here is my original equation right here. Now I need to look at how I manipulated it. How did I change it below? So first off, do you see that, and let me change my color. Let's look at HBr, for example. HBr is now on the reactant side. Over here, on the above one, it's a product. Over here, it's a reactant. So I flipped, the first one thing I did was flip the reaction. Okay, and then for K, anytime you flip a reaction, then you need to get your original K right here and do 1 over that K value. So anytime you flip, that means you do 1 over K. That's just a rule. Okay, now the other thing I did is I multiplied this whole reaction up here by 2. Do you see now? Look at H2. H2 did not have any number in front of it. Now it has a 2 in front of it, meaning I multiplied it by 2. Br2 had 0 or a 1 in front of it. Now it has a 2. This one has a 2 in front of it, HBr, and now HBr has a 4. So basically I multiplied the below reaction by, or no, I shouldn't say the below, the above reaction by 2. Okay, so when I flip the original equation and multiply it by 2, it looks exactly like the bottom one. Okay, so the second rule says, okay, when you multiply, let's say by a number, okay, raise K to that number. Okay, so I'm not only going to flip it, I'm going to raise K by that number. Okay, so let's look what we did. Let's put our numbers in now. So I'm going to have 1 over K, so 3.8 times 10 to the 4th. Okay, and then I'm going to raise it by which number? 2, because that's what I multiply the above reaction by. So when you do that, whenever you do 1 divided by 3.8 times 10 to the 4th, and square that, you're going to get 6.9 times 10 to the negative 10. And that was found in, let's see, that was week 4, I believe. Right, for vodcast number 2. I don't know, I'll send you the link to it so you can see it. Some more of these worked out if you want.